OnePlus 15 hands-on image leaks. The front looks beautiful with those crazy thin bezels. Already, OnePlus has officially showed the OnePlus 15 and talked about some of its specs. The latest teasers give a closer look at both the design and a possible launch date. The OnePlus 15 has a squarish camera module in the upper left corner, similar to what we saw on the OnePlus 13T. The module houses 3 cameras, 2 in a pill-shaped design, and another lens and an LED flash sit separately on the right. OnePlus 15 will come in mist purple and absolute black. It'll be the first device with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, up to 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 inbuilt storage. The phone is featuring a 6.78-inch BOE X3 Oriental AMOLED panel with 1.15mm uniform bezels, supports 1.5K resolution and a 165Hz refresh rate. To have a 50MP primary sensor, a 50MP JN5 telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom, 50MP ultra-wide camera ISOCELL JN5, and OnePlus new Detail Max engine for sharper shots, and an IP68/69 rated body. There's also a 7000 mAh battery inside. Support 100W wired and 50W wireless charging. A China launch is likely in October 2025. OnePlus May 15th hit the global market in November or December. Pricing in China may start at 3,999 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.